I've been looking at the Georganics Sonic Toothbrush. So Georganics is a company that prides itself on being green, hence the green and brown box. But is their toothbrush any good? And should you spend £69.90 on this? Let's unbox. So this is how the Georganics Sonic Toothbrush arrives. It comes in a lovely cardboard box. So it's completely plastic free packaging, which is great. You can put this into the recycling bin afterwards. Slides out beautifully. Fits really well. The brush itself comes in this box here. Lovely. It's a really sturdy design. Feels good. Fits in your hand well. It comes with an on-off switch here, which also changes the modes. So we've got here clean, white, polish, sensitive, and gum care. It comes itself with two heads, and the heads actually come with this bit of plastic. How dare they? But I'll forgive them for this because it can be used to cover over the head, which will keep it more hygienic, so stop stuff getting on there if it falls into your sink or whatever. So the head goes on quite simply. You push it. Not too happy with the little bit of a gap here, because when you're brushing and your toothpaste goes into there, then you do need to take it off to give that a clean. I would recommend that anyway. Give that a little wash under the sink as well. So when we put that on, there's nothing to say that it's on properly, but just push it firmly. And then, this is where the magic happens. So we'll switch it on. Clean mode. Just normal. White. Sounds a bit different. Polish. Look at that. How it goes side to side. You can really notice that. And it's just to get to more of the enamel to polish off the surface stains. Sensitive. A little bit more of a low hum. And then gum care. The gentlest of them all. At the bottom here, was it flashing? Yeah, it started flashing. That means that the battery is low, which brings us nicely onto the charger. They've gone for a design which the toothbrush fits into. It can fit in any way, which is pretty good. But I would say that it needs to be a little bit sturdier. It's a little bit plasticky. If it had like a weight at the bottom, it might be better, because once it's in, it's pretty sturdy and stable. It probably wouldn't fall out, but the sturdier the better. It also comes with a couple of guides where it explains everything about setting up the toothbrush, how to use it, and a 2-year warranty. I've been really impressed. It definitely passed the plaque disclosing test. It removed, I would say, 99% of the plaque. It works really well in terms of the quadrant pacer. The modes work really well, so I use it on the clean for 2 minutes, and then I usually switch to the polish just for another 10-20 seconds, and then finish on the gum care, which makes it really gentle, and I can just massage my gums with it afterwards as well. The feel, it doesn't feel heavy at all when you're using it. My old toothbrush, the IO8, it is, pretty vigorous, whereas this is a much lighter touch, which I think some people will prefer. Sonic is different to using an oscillating, rotating like the Oral-B ones, but I really liked it. The price point is great. For £69, I think it is, you're not going to get a much better toothbrush. A similar one, like the Philips Sonicare, would cost you a lot more. It's sturdy, and the fact that the company is concentrating on reducing waste, it is commendable. So yeah, if you've tried this toothbrush, let us know what you think. If you're thinking of getting it, I don't think you'll regret it. It's a great product and you should go for it. Thank you.